Hi, we are Linda and Dil, located here at 76 Gaslamp Lane, right in the heart of Markham, located at the intersection of 16th Avenue and 9th Lane. Please enjoy the tour.
House is located in the beautiful Cornell neighborhood. Markham and Stouffville Hospital and 407 minutes away. Great parks, great schools. The house offers 3 bedrooms, 3 washrooms, finished basement, lots of upgrades. You don't want to miss the opportunity. For private viewing, please call us at 416-937-7642 or view our website www.remaxgtarealtors.com. Thank you for your interest.